YouTubers, what's up? This is Handyscapers coming to you live at 11:20 p.m. Check out what I'm doing. I am working on my truck. Dang it. Sad to say, but when you try to run a small business and you only have one vehicle, it makes it hard. It really does. So yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I came out to start the truck to go somewhere, and it wouldn't start. Sounded like the starter was done for. I work on all my own stuff. Well, come to find out, today I found out that it was not the starter. It was the cable assembly that goes from the battery to the starter. This thingy right here, I'm going to try and get it in the shot. So, this is not a how-to video. Anywho, these are your battery terminals, positive, negative. They run down in the engine bay, underneath the engine, to the starter. This side right here, this end, mounts to the starter. Got your S cable, your power, your negatives, and then the bracket that mounts to the frame rail right here by the passenger side tire. This is a 2000 F150, 5.4 liter Lariat, however you pronounce it. I forget. Well, not really forget, I just am not sure. Anywho, but yeah, this terminal here, or this cable right here, mounts to the starter. It corroded so bad it broke off. Not this one particular. It's actually still on the truck. This is the one I got from the junkyard, because I'm the type of person that only has one truck. So that means I need, when it's down, I need the parts now. I don't have time to place an order half the time. Most of the time, I don't. Place an order, wait 3 to 5, sometimes 10 days. Can't do that. And nobody carried this thing. It had to be ordered. So I went to the junkyard, which is literally a mile down the road. Pulled this one off. Come back home to put it on. I'm unhooking mine from my starter. And check this out. What is this? This is a brand new starter. Well, when I was unhooking my cable from the terminal on here, actually it was this terminal, the smallest terminal. Yeah, I broke it off. The bolt was on there so hard, or corroded so bad that it broke off, which meant I had to buy a starter. Like, what the hell? Excuse my French. I cuss a lot, but I try not to do that on here, on social media, or around clients, customers, around anybody, period, that is a stranger and that don't know me personally. So I was supposed to seal a deck today. Matter of fact, I was supposed to seal the deck like 3 or 4 days ago. Thursday or Friday, I think. Well, you can't seal a deck and have rain in the forecast within 24 hours. And that's what happened, so I wasn't able to do it. Got pushed off. Prior to this, it got pushed off because it was too windy, and spraying it ain't a good idea when it's windy, even if you're spraying weed killer. And there's creeks or rivers, bodies of water, any kind of thing that you could have runoff. You shouldn't be spraying chemicals. Well, anywho, so yeah, I broke the terminal off of my starter, which meant now I have to replace the starter. Like, what the heck? Which I got thinking about it. Like, this starter, it was $190. It's remanufactured from Advance Auto, and no, there's no endorsements or nothing like that with them. I just use Advance Auto for one particular reason. I get online on their website, I pick out what parts I need, I put them in my cart, or I go online and go to the coupon website first. It really don't matter, either or. But anyways, I go online, pick out my parts, put them in the cart. I go on the coupon website for Advance Auto, like Groupon's, Retail Me Not, places like this. And I look for the best coupon for what I'm purchasing. So this was originally $190, $191 after tax and some change. Well, there's a $30 or $32 core charge for giving them the old one. That means, if you don't know, that anytime you buy a starter, an alternator, or heck, even brake calipers, starters, alternators, brake calipers, transmissions, engines, there's a core charge. You give them the old one, you take the new one, they knock off a certain amount. Well, for this one in particular, they knocked off $32. My coupon allowed me to save $45? I think it was. Or no. It was like, so I had a $10 perks member discount. So with that $10 perk member discount, with the 25% off, it took it down $45. Then you add the $32 core charge. Okay. So in the end, after tax, I ended up paying just over $100 for this remanufactured starter. It was like $106 or something. So anybody out there who works on their own stuff, and if you can't wait for something to come in the mail because you need it now, like me, I highly recommend doing this. Trust me. Ever since I started doing this, which I've been doing it for about 5 or 6 years. Well, no, longer than that. About 7 years, I've been doing this, okay? I have saved over $3,000, and I'm not exaggerating, and worth of discounts. Now, this is not me only buying parts for my vehicles. This is parts for my mom's vehicle, my girlfriend's mom's vehicle, my girlfriend's vehicle. And there's been twice where I actually did jobs of, like, brake jobs or something for people, and I do it for them. But I have saved over $3,000 in that period. Now, granted, 80% of that is for my personal vehicle, nobody else's. But this is kind of stuff you have to deal with if you are trying to run your own small business, no matter what it is. My shoulder's messed up and it hurts leaning on it. I'm not going to be on here long anyways. There we go. So, I just wanted to stop by, say hey to you guys, let you guys know what's going on. It's 11:30 in Ohio. Excuse me. It's 11:30 at night in Ohio. And I'm out here doing this. So, oh my goodness. It's really hard to like pay attention to the camera and not look into the screen, because then you're not really looking at whatever, you know. Now I'm looking in the camera, which means I'm looking at you. But anyways, yeah, takes concentration. And all this extra mumbo jumbo, it will be on this video. You'll see it. I don't edit. Not unless it's something serious. I don't really know how to edit right now. But anyways, so yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna take you up underneath the truck real quick. Try to. Ugh. Here we go. Alright, so let me try to get this in here now. Right there. That cable that's broke. I'll try to point at it. This one, right there. That's the one that caused all this. So, yeah. I'm horrible at making videos, guys, I know. But I promise you, I'm gonna stick to it. And I will get better at it. Like and subscribe, please. Well, I don't want to sound like I'm begging, but yeah. Thank you. See you guys on the next one.